Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide shorts on YouTube so you can focus only on the content you actually want to watch and avoid distractions inside the app. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. To begin, open the YouTube app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Now, in the top right, tap on the settings icon to access your account settings. Inside settings, look for the option called Time Management option. Scroll down and select Shorts Feed Limit and set the limit to 0 minutes. By doing this, you are basically disabling the Shorts feed, so you won't be able to scroll through short videos anymore. After that, go back to the YouTube home screen and simply refresh the page by pulling down from the top. Now you will notice that shorts are no longer showing in your feed. And if you ever want to bring them back, you can return to the same setting and adjust the time limit anytime. And that's it. Now you know how to hide shorts on YouTube and take more control over your viewing experience.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!